Hello friends, today our topic is sandwich testing, reliability testing, compatibility testing and cross-browser testing. So let me explain it one by one. The first one is sandwich testing. So the combination of top-down and bottom-up incremental integration testing is called as sandwich testing. So as we discussed in the integration testing video, the top-down and bottom-up incremental integration testing, like when we in the top-down approach, we generally pick the bigger module and then integrate the smaller module in order to test the application. And in the bottom-up approach, we generally pick the smaller module first and then integrate the bigger module one by one. These are the top-down and bottom-up approach. So when we combined top-down and bottom-up approach together, this process is known as sandwich testing. Next one is reliability testing. So testing the functionality of an application for a particular amount of time is called as reliability testing. As if we talk about an example for this particular testing, uh, like suppose we have an button, we have a button available inside the application. Let's say in the login page itself. So the button, login button, if we hit it multiple times in order to check whether it got break after some click or not, or is it like reliable enough to handle those multiple clicks at a moment, is called as reliability testing. Now next point is compatibility testing. So testing the application on different hardware and software platform having different operating system, different version, etc. is called as compatibility testing. So in compatibility testing, we generally test the application in different version of the like let's say we have to test an Android application. So that particular application we will test on, like let's say Android 12, Android 11 and the lower version like Android 8, 6. So these are the version. We will test it on different uh, operating system. Let's say like the application will be tested on uh, Android, and if it is iOS application, if we have IPA available for the testing, so we will test on different Apple devices in order to check the thing compatibility things of the application. Next one is cross-browser testing. So testing the behavior of an application on different web browser is called as cross-browser testing. So suppose we have an web-based application which we initially tested on Chrome browser. Now in cross-browser testing, we will test that particular application in different browsers. Let's say for Mozilla, Internet Explorer, and Microsoft Edge, different browser to in order to make sure it is working perfectly fine or not. So these are some testing types.